Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can upload reels on your Facebook professional account. So simply click on the Facebook app. Now as you can see, my account is on professional mode. I have already made a video on how to turn on professional mode on your account. So what we need to do is simply click on the home button here, click on it, click on the add icon, click on reel, and now you can upload any reel you want here. I'm just gonna upload this. Alright, so you can do many things from here. You can add audio on it if you want. You can add stickers from here. You can add effects. You can basically do many things here. I'm just gonna simply click on next. You can add description here. And simply click on share now. And you have to wait for some seconds, and then it will show that it is uploading your reel. Saying uploading reel. And as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our reel. You can click on view. You can see we have uploaded the reel on our professional account. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.